Hey, good morning, YouTube. This is John with Space EDC coming to you with a video on a ever so popular, and this is definitely not a new tool. This is a Leatherman Micra. I've got some of these in my collection and thought I'd go over them. Some of you guys are thinking about picking one up or interested, and maybe you can learn a little something about them. It's been around for a long time. I think over 25 years, and still available today, but the price now is, looking at the website, it's $49.95, and they come in a multitude of colors. Like I said, I've got several in my collection I've collected over the years, but this is the basic model with the silver, and we'll go over it real quick. There's nothing I really can tell you that maybe you haven't already heard if you've done any research. There's hundreds, if not thousands, of videos of these on YouTube, but we'll get into it real quick. It's saying it has 10 tools, and it's got, of course, your ruler. They always count the keychain, or the little keychain here. It's got scissors, spring action scissors, which is real popular, which probably is what makes this so popular, one of the popular features. And it's got a small knife blade on it. It has this Phillips and a really good nail file. It has tweezers, which do not come off, so I don't really know. I don't really prefer, kind of for me, I'd prefer if they come off, and it has a small micro screwdriver with a bottle cap lifter, and this would be your, it's like a Phillips, is what it says, a little Phillips driver here, which it does work for small Phillips screws, but, you know, and it has a small flat tip, if you can see that right there. Let's see. But anyway, you know, it's more of a personal, I guess, to me it would be more of something for your, like, personal hygiene, I guess, and these scissors would be probably the reason most people would carry them. But, you know, getting into the specs here, your weight is 1.8 ounces or 51 grams, and closed length is 2.5 inches, or let's see, 2.5 inches or 6.5 centimeters. Open length with the scissors, I guess, would be 4.2 inches or 10.6 centimeters. And your blade length, like I said, it's a small little pin, little blade here, but it's good for, you know, opening letters, packages maybe, and stuff like that. Small projects, 1.6 inches or 4.06 centimeters. And it has a blade hardness of 55 to 59 HRC. Your width is 0.75 inches. You're so about 3/4 of an inch, or 1.9 centimeters, and overall thickness is 0.37 of an inch, or 0.93 centimeters. And of course, the materials it's made out of is 420 HC stainless steel. So that is the Leatherman Micra in a nutshell. Like I said, there's hundreds, if not thousands, of videos about these on YouTube. This just happens to be mine. And I've got several of these. I've carried it off and on. It does not have any outside opening tools, which, you know, for some people is they prefer the outside opening tools, like on the Leatherman Squirt, which was discontinued, which was a letdown. I thought that was something that they would keep around for a long, long time also, but the Micra has continued on and still popular today. So tell me your Micra stories, if you like them, if you hate them, you know, what you don't like about them, what you do like about them. For me, I think the scissors are great. I think the pocketability is great. It fits in your fifth pocket and you almost forget it's there. You know, some of the tools to me are really lightweight. Got to be, you know, I wouldn't want to use it for anything heavy. But, you know, around the office, around the home, little projects, I think it would be great. But that's it. Like I said, they're still available in a multitude of colors. You can get the stainless steel like this. And they sell on the Leatherman website as of today when I checked for $49.95. So hope you guys are having a great week. Once again, this is John with Space City EDC. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. I come out with these about once a week or so, depending on how busy I am. Hope you guys have a good week. Take care. I'll see you on the next one.